Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. These screw-on glides fit any wooden chair leg or wood frame. They come in a 1 1/4 inch or 32mm and a 2 inch or 50mm size. The screw-on glide is made as a 2-piece protector, a base and screw with a replaceable nylon insert for sliding. The glides are guaranteed not to fall off and are weatherproof, long-lasting and slide easily. They are perfect for smooth concrete and tiled surfaces. To fit, simply pre-drill a pilot hole, fit the base and screw in. Then push in the cap till it clicks into place. The long-lasting nylon caps are replaceable and make sliding furniture a breeze on hard surfaces. The larger 2 inch or 50mm size is perfect for tables and outdoor settings. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.